Hello friends, welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. This is a quick Qigong exercise to relieve stiffness through the neck and shoulders. You're going to feel so good even after just 5 minutes. Now let's get started. Let's take a seat. Lengthen through your spine. Relax the shoulders. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, release down. 3 more. This time, reach the arms up and then lower down. Turn the torso 45 degrees to the left and draw back, hands to center, then turn to the right 45 degrees. Alternate. Notice the gentle twist through the spine. Mobilize the shoulder joints. One more. Slowly release the hands down to your sides. You may close your eyes, lengthen through the back of the neck, and then draw the chin to your chest. Gently stretch through the back of the neck. Slowly bring the chin back, and then lift the chin up. Synchronize the movement with your breath. One more round. Stretch a little deeper this time. Lift the chin, stretch the front of the neck. Chin back to neutral. Rotate your neck to the left. Engage your eyes. Open the eyes big at the end of the exhale. And slowly rotate to the right. Eyes are big. Feel the energy rise through your eyes. One more time on each side. Come back to neutral. Bring your hands to the left side of the waist. Interlace the fingers, hug the left elbow in, sitting tall. Now draw the left ear to left shoulder. Hold for one more breath. And then move the hands to the right side. Hug the right elbow in. Draw the ear towards the right shoulder. One more on each side. Come back to neutral. Hands on your thigh. Round into the spine. And then forward. Back and forth. When you round this time, draw the chin side to side. and forward. Project the chest. One more time. Come to neutral. Interlace the fingers and flip the palms. Reach up. Press the hands up. Gently rotate your neck. Bring the arms closer to your ears. Come back to neutral. Release the arms down. Friends, this is your quick and easy. I hope it's quick and easy. Neck and shoulder relief. You can do this any time of the day. It's always good to add a few of these wonderful movements into your routine. Thank you for practicing with me. Until next time, take good care of yourself